this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, click on Do Not Disturb and make sure turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart phone. Just click on hold side power button and click on restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to App Library, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. Click on Reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on Continue and click on Reset. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.